polynomials together. So let's say we have 8 over t, and we want to add that to 7 over 3t. Well, common denominator of t and 3t is 3t, because that's the LCD. So this one t here, on the first one, is missing a 3, so you multiply by 3. Whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So what you have is you have a 24 over 3t plus 7 over 3t. And you have to add 24 plus 7, which gives you 31 over 3t. Will be your result for that one. Okay, let's say you have 4 over 15a4 b5, and you want to add that to 3 over 20 a2 b6. So you look at it, the common denominator, if we break this up in pieces, out of 50 and 20, the common denominator is 60. Okay, so you know that you have to multiply this one by 4, top and bottom, just to get a 60 on there, and this one by 3, top and bottom. So what you end up with is a 16 over 60 a4 b5 plus 9 over 60 a2 b6. So when you're looking at it, this has an a4, this is an a2, so a4 is the common. You want both to be a4. That means you have to multiply this one by a squared, top and bottom, just to get an a4 there. You're trying to get the denominators to be the same. This one has a b6, this has the lesser b, so you can multiply this one by a b, top and bottom, to get b6. So what you end up having is a 16b divided by 60 a4 b6 plus 9a squared divided by 60 a4 b6. So now the common denominators, or the denominators, are the same, so you can go ahead and add it up, and you get 16b plus 9a squared divided by 60 a4 b6. Let's try it. We have 1 over a cubed b squared. We're subtracting that by 2 over a4b, and we're adding that by 3 over a5 b7. Well, you look for the highest a. a5 is the highest a, so you want all of them to be a5. b7 is the highest b, so you want all of them to be b7. So what times a cubed will give you a5? That's a squared. And what times b squared will give you b7? That's b to the 5th. So the first one you multiply by a squared b5, just to get it there. Second one you multiply by a b6, because a times a to the 4th is a 5th. b6 times b is b to the 7th. So what you end up with is a squared b5 at the top over a5 b7 minus 2ab6 over a5 b7 plus 3 over a5 b7. So now that all the denominators are the same, you subtract everything. You have a2 b5 minus 2ab6 plus 3, and all of that is divided by a5 b7, and this will be your result. Let's say you have a 2x plus 4, and you're dividing that by x plus 3, and you're adding that to 3 over x, and you're subtracting that to 6 over x squared plus 3x. When you factor the last one, so you're going to have a 2x plus 4 over x plus 3 plus 3 over x, and this is going to be minus 6 over x times x plus 3, because you can factor it. So if you look at it, these two denominators are inside of this one. So this one is the common denominator. So this one is missing an x, top and bottom up by x, and this one is missing an x plus 3, top and bottom. So they all can have the denominator x times x plus 3. So when you multiply it all out, you have 2x squared plus 4x over x times x plus 3. And this is plus a 3x plus 9 over x times x plus 3. And minus 6 x times x plus 3. So now that all the denominators are the same, we can go ahead and simplify the top. So we have a 2x squared at the top. 4x and 3x will give us 7x. 9 minus 6 will give us a positive 3 over x times x plus 3. And by rules of factoring, the 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 factors into x plus 3 times a 2x plus 3. And factoring is on another video you can watch. So that's divided by x times x plus 3. So what happens is that x plus 3's cancel, and the result is a 2x plus 3 divided by x. So more